so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! And today I'm at the Skyline Marina in Anacortes, Washington. And marinas are where boats live. And today, you and I are gonna learn about boats. Look, there's one right here. This is gonna be so much fun. Whee! I'm steering the boat. Whoa, this is so much fun. All right, I'm gonna pull back the throttle. This is the throttle. This is what you use to determine if you go forward or backward. And this is the steering wheel. You knew that. Whoa, whoa! What else is around here? Oh, hey, I wonder what this button does. Whoa, did you hear that? That's the horn. Let's do it again. That's so much fun. Ooh, and what's this? This is a radio. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? This is Blippi. Radios are used to be able to talk to the people on the land and other boats. Ooh, and a navigation system? This is electronic, and this one is not. This is actually a compass. It tells you which direction you're heading. Wow, that's so useful. Ooh, and there's so many gauges and instruments. Hey, and a muffin. Let's try some. So tasty. All right, check this out. Here we go. Let's go forward. Whoa. Whoa, yeah! Check out the back. Yeah, look. Woo! Here we go. Woo! Boats are amazing pieces of machinery. Hey, when you're in a boat, and if you are 12 years or younger, then you need a life jacket. So, let's open up this compartment and take out a life jacket. And this life jacket is the color orange. Okay, let me put it on. Life jackets are really good to keep you safe. They keep you afloat if you go in the water. Let me turn this around, go to the back. Perfect, make it nice and snug. How do I look? Whoa, yeah, yeah. Another piece of equipment that boats have on them is a life ring. And that's used to throw it off, so then the person that's in the water can grab onto it, and then you can pull them in. Here, I'll go get the life ring. Whoa, check it out. This is a life ring. Whoa, I wonder why they call it a life ring. Hey, I know, because it saves lives and it's the shape of a ring. Okay, so let me take it, get it situated, and I'm gonna act like there's someone out there that needs help. So I'm gonna take the end of it. Okay, I found it. And from there, I'm gonna chuck it out there really far. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Did you see that? And then once they grab it, then you can reel them in, like this. Okay, grab on tight. I'll pull you in. Woohoo! Yeah! Whoa! It's like we saved someone. There we go! Good job! This is a boat, and it's out of the water. See, normally the water is up to here. But it's out of the water. Hey, and check this out over here. Come here. Whoa, and do you see down there? Those are the propellers. Wow, they spin around and push the water back to create thrust for the boat to go forward. Whoa! Hey, and look way up there. There's some buoys. Whoa, they're kind of like pillows and balloons, so then the boat doesn't hit the dock and get hurt. Wow, this power boat is really cool. Has big engines to provide a lot of power to the boat. Whoa, look at this boat. This boat is a catamaran. Check it out. Wow, kind of looks hollow in the center. That's silly. And then kind of like a deck in the middle. Whoa, and how it gets power is from the wind. And then it blows on the sail, and then it goes. Whoa! Hey, look, here's another type of boat. And this boat, yeah, it's a power boat, but what it's used for is fishing. Wow, I see a lot of fishing pole holders up there. I bet they go fishing for salmon, tuna, crab, and all of those tasty food. Whoa, this boat is really big. Look how big it is. Whoa! I look so small next to it. And this boat looks so big. Wow. Sailboats get all of their power from their sail. Whoa. Hey, and what are these down here? This is called a keel. It keeps the boat really stable in the water, so then when the wind blows a sail, it doesn't fall over. Whoa! Sailboats and boats in general look like so much fun. Whoa! Look, this is a kayak. And kayaks are another type of boat. Interesting. Kayaks are powered by humans, going like this with paddles. And in here, there's more kayaks. Come on. Whoa. Whoa, look over here. Here they are. Wow. This kayak is the color red. Ooh, and back here, this kayak is the color yellow. Oh, whoa, this one's hidden. But do you see this? This kayak is the color green. Kayaks are really fun because you sit in them with a life jacket on. Yeah, a life jacket. Whoa. Hey, let's try on a life jacket. Okay, take it off the hanger. Oh, all right. So this is a life jacket. Whoa, whoa! And life jackets are really useful when you're near and on the water in boats because they keep you afloat if you're in the water. So then you don't have to go, oh! Woo. And sometimes if the water is really cold, you might wear a wetsuit. Oh, look at them back here. See? It's like their feet. And then the arms. And I think these are actually called dry suits because they actually keep you dry. So then the water doesn't touch you. Oh, let's see what else is around here. Oh. Wow. Yeah, the paddles for the kayak. Whoa! Whee! This is so much fun! Okay, I'll go back this way. Whoa! Whee! Oh! Ah! Whoa! This building is so big! Have you ever wondered where boats get stored so then they can go inside away from the weather, like the rain, the wind, and the ice? Whoa! Yeah, a building like this stores many, many boats. Hey, check it out! Oh, hey, doggy. Look, this dog is being nice and safe with this life jacket on. Hello. Oh, so soft, so cute, and so safe. Whoa, what a beautiful day it's been. Oh, look. Do you see what I see? Wow. Yeah, sea life. Whoa, let's get a little closer and say hello. Hey. Hey, how are you? Wow, that's a seal. It's just laying out in the sun. Feels so good. I'm gonna go a little bit closer. Hey, how are you? Wow, it's so cute. Look at its big black eyes. Hey! Hello! I wonder what its name is. We should name it. I have an idea. Let's name it Sealy. Hey, Sealy! All right, Sealy, have a good day. Bye-bye! Oh, I love the marina. Woo! Look at how big this boat is. Wow. Jeez, it's so long. Oh, hey, it's so big it even has windows inside. Hello. That's silly. Whoa, and look how tall it is. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't I start at the back of the boat and then I'll step it out and count the steps to see how long it is. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16! This boat is 16 steps in length! Good job! Whoa! amazing day it is to have this muffin on this boat. Let me show you around this boat. Whoa! As you saw, that was the table. Ooh, in this area is a great place to prepare some food. Check it out, a fridge. Hello, fridge. You can keep all your food nice and cold. Ooh, and a sink. What's that doing in there? So silly. Okay, what else is around here? Whoa, this boat is awesome! Check it out! Ooh, that's the captain. Hello!
Hi.
He's steering the boat. And down here is the inside of the boat. Come on! Wow! This is amazing! Whoa, it looks like a stovetop right here where you can cook some food. Ooh, a sink. Whoa, that's a big sink. Some paper towels, can't forget those. Ooh, a microwave. Oh, that's convenient. There's even a TV right here. Hey, that's me. Oh, in a bed. Oh. Oh, what am I doing? No time for sleeping. Ooh, another table. I could eat tons of snacks right here. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Woo! A fuel pump? That's gas. And this is diesel. Interesting. Hey, I have something to show you. Come here. Just like how cars need gas and diesel to run on land, boats also need gas or diesel. And this boat right here needs gas. So, let's take this pump right over here and let's go fill it up. Whoa! What a long hose! Hey, check it out! This is the gas cap of the boat. So let's unscrew it. Okay, be very careful. And then put it right in there and pull the trigger. Did you hear that? It's nice and full. All right, let's put the cap back on. And now, it's full to the top so we can have some fun in the sun. Hanging out in the water on this boat. I sure do love boats, and it was so beautiful out there. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we sing the Blippi boat song?
So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today we're at the Las Vegas Mini Grand Prix. And the great thing about this place is it has rides. Whoa, like this. This is the airplane ride. I think you and I should ride it. Here we go. Okay, once you're in the airplane, you need to buckle up. But once you're buckled up, you're ready to ride. Here we go. Whoa! Yeah! It's like we're flying in the air. Whee! I'm a bird. Wait a second, I'm not a bird. I'm a plane. much fun riding this airplane ride. Ooh. Yeah, this airplane that we just rode, yeah, this was the color yellow. Let's see what other ones there are. Ooh, look at this airplane. This airplane is the color orange. And its name is Stinger, like a scorpion. Come on. Airplane is the color blue. Ooh, and its name is Maverick. Yeah, like a bird. Go, 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 go. Ooh, okay, come on. Whoa. I wonder what this ride does. We're spinning so fast and going around. Whoa. 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 Whee. Hello. We're going around a really large circle, see? We keep rotating around this center thing, just like how the Earth rotates around the sun. And then we're also spinning around like this. Whoa! 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 Wow, I am really dizzy now. Whoa. Whoa. That was so much fun riding that ride that just kept spinning around and going in the air. Whoa. Wow, thank you so much for riding it with me. Let's go ride another ride. Now we're at the top of the big slide. So to go down, you have to put your bag down right here. Then you sit down, put your feet in the hole, and whenever you're ready, you go. Whoa! 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 Whee! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, good job! That was so much fun! That was really fun riding that dragon coaster.
So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi! And today, I'm at the Phoenix Zoo in Phoenix, Arizona. Hey, I think you and I should learn about some animals today. Let's go! Whoa! Do you see that? That is a howler monkey. Yeah, do you see it? Yeah, right there. That is Bilbo, named after Bilbo Baggins. That's funny. Let's act like monkeys together. Whoa, look, that's Lulu the rhinoceros. And Lulu is 21 years old. Yeah, Lulu, party! Woohoo! Yeah! That's a toucan. Did you see its big beak? Kind of looks like a banana. Hey, what are you doing over there? Come over here. Let's check out another animal. Whoa, look at this. Do you know what animal this is? Yeah, this is a tiger. Woo, hello, kitty. Whoa, come over here. Turn around. Woo. Whoa, this is where the tigers live. Hey, and look at who it is over here. Looks like we're getting ready to do some training. Did you see that? The tiger is doing exactly what he's saying. It looks like they're having so much fun. Target. Good. Target. Ooh, that was really cool. Did you see that? Hey, will you tell us why we just did that?
Yeah, so we train our animals so that they have the opportunity to make things easier for them and the staff. Ooh. So we don't train our animals to do tricks, we do what are called behaviors. So for example, when I was having Jay target his nose to the end of this pole, it allowed me to move him to different positions so I could see different parts of his body. Having him stand up is not only impressive to see how big a tiger is, but it gives me the chance to see his underside, because just like us, they can get injuries like cuts and bruises. So it lets me check up on his body to make sure he's still feeling good.
Ooh, well, thank you so much for showing me what you just showed me.
Very welcome.
All right, see you later.
Thanks.
Let's go see some more stuff. Whoa, do you see that animal? It's another cat. This is a jaguar. Whoa. Woo-hoo! Check it out. I have a pail of carrots and some tongs, and we just got told we need to feed the next animal. Come on. Whoa. Hey, check it out. These are cables that you have to be on this side of them. But we just got permission to head inside so we can feed the animals. Let's go. Okay, this is a short barrier. Interesting. That wasn't too hard to get in. Oh, I see the animal, look. Let's go through the trees. Whoa, hey, look. Look at the animal. We get a feed, check it out. Whoa, do you know what kind of animal this is? This is a tortoise. Let's feed the tortoises. Yeah! Check this out. This is a carrot, and I'm using tongs because tortoises have really strong jaws and might bite my finger off. Here you go. Whoa! Oh, whoops, it slipped. Here you go. Whoa! Okay, would you like a little bit more? Yeah? Okay, here you go. Oh, there you go. Whoa! This tortoise is about 550 pounds. Whoa. That is really heavy. Hey, and guess how old he is? Oh, he's 66 years old. Whoa, that's really old. Oh, hello. Hey, check this out. I'll pet this tortoise's head. Hello, how are you? Whoa! Whoa! Look, the tortoise is off the ground. Do you see that? Because that allows for all the bugs and everything to get away from its underneath area. Whoa! Okay, let's go get some more carrots. Whoa, hello. How are you doing? Are you having a good day? Ooh, check it out. See this tortoise? This tortoise is a Galapagos tortoise, and it's a female. Oh. Oh, there you go. Oh, and here comes the male. Whoa, do you see how big he is? Oh, I'm getting trapped. Okay, I'm gonna loop right around here. See how this one's a little smaller? And this one is bigger? Whoa! This is a female, and this is a male. Whoa, hey, do you two like each other? Yeah, you two look like you're friends. Oh, would you like some more? Whoa! Whoa! Good job. Oh, you dropped it. Hey, come a little closer. Okay, here you go. All right. Open wide, here comes the carrot. Whoa! There you go. Is that yummy? Hey, tortoises like carrots, just like how I do. And carrots are nice and healthy. There you go. Whoa, you have a big mouth. Whoa, look. I'm giving this tortoise a scratch, see? How does that feel? Does that feel good? Yeah. Do you see how the tortoise is standing on its legs really high in the air? In the wild, they do this because a lot of times they have bugs underneath them, and this allows for the finches, which are birds, caw, caw, to fly underneath there and then eat all of the bugs underneath this tortoise. Yeah, but for now, he's standing on his legs because this feels really good. It's kind of like when a grown-up gives you a back scratch. Yeah, I like when my mom gives me a back scratch. Yeah, how does this feel? You like that? Yeah. Okay, my turn. Okay, my turn. I'm ready. I'm ready. Ooh, check this out. This is an armadillo. Okay, here you go. Run free. Whoa, look! An armadillo is one of the ambassador animals at the zoo. That means it's an animal that you can meet face to face. Whoa, hey, what are you doing? You want a treat? Armadillos love mealworms. Here you go. Uh-oh. Hey, come right over here. There you go. Look, doesn't this armadillo look hard? Yeah, it is kind of hard. And it's not a shell. It's bone inside the armadillo's skin. Whoa. Okay. Ooh, this is Princess Buttercup. Ooh, all right. Here you go. Here you go, Princess Buttercup. Ooh, look at Princess Buttercup's pretty little nails. Whoa. Okay, run free. Whoa, look at this animal. What kind of animal is this?
This is an Indian crested porcupine.
Whoa, look at all of its spines. Are those spines?
The big ones are just to make her look scary, but the dangerous ones are down by her tail.
Oh, okay, down there. Whoa. And what is she doing right now?
We're just enjoying some snacks.
Ooh.
She likes a lot of plants, so we've got her some biscuits, some yam, and some apple today.
Ooh, that sounds pretty tasty, actually. Ooh, let's take a closer look at the porcupine. Wow, you don't want to touch this animal on its tail. Whoa! Check this out! This next area is really cool. Whoa, do you hear that? All these things are working really hard to keep this next area exactly like how the ocean is. Come here. Whoa, look at it. Whoa, there's so many filters and other things. It's so cool. Okay, come over here. Let me show you what it's doing. Yeah, this is Stingray Bay. And they're training the stingrays to do some pretty cool tricks. If you come to this zoo, you can use a flat, gentle hand and touch the stingrays on their back. But they're letting me go inside. I'm so excited. Okay, first, I need to take off my shoes. One shoe. Whoa, two shoes. Okay, let's put those there. Can't forget about the socks, because I'm gonna put these on. Whoa, they're like water socks or water shoes. Okay, let's put them on. All right. Okay. I'm ready, here we go. You have to be nice and smooth and slow so you don't scare them. Oh, the water's nice and cold. Okay. Whoa! Oh, hey!
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, what's your name?
My name is Mary and this is Kelsey. We work here at the Phoenix Zoo.
Ooh, so what are you doing right now?
So right now we're giving breakfast to our stingrays and we're checking them to make sure everybody's healthy and happy this morning.
Ooh, that sounds like fun. Can I help?
Sure, would you like to feed some?
Ooh, yeah! Let's feed the stingrays. Okay.
So
Look at them.
They have shrimp and smelt. So you can take a couple and you can put it in your hand.
Okay. Check out the food. Whoa! Looks so tasty. Okay, I put it in my hand.
You're gonna hold it like an ice cream cone.
Okay. Ooh, I like ice cream. Okay, just like that.
Put it nice and deep into the water. They're gonna swim over your hand and they're gonna suck it out of your hand like a vacuum.
Okay. Okay, here you go. Whoa! 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 Look at that one.
So you've got a blue spotted ribbon tail sitting on your feet.
Okay. Do I go deeper in the water?
Let's see what we can do.
there you
Come
go.
on, guys.
Oh! I did it! Look! It's gone! It sucked it right out of my hand. Can I do it again?
You can.
Oh, thank you. They sucked the food right out of my hand. It's kind of like, have you ever put a vacuum on your hand and then the vacuum sucks on your hand, that's kind of how it feels like when it's sucking the food out of your hand. Whoa! That one just swam through my legs.
Whoa! Look at them.
So they're getting used to you now, so they can feel who you are by your heartbeat.
Okay.
They're understanding that you're not going to hurt them, and so they're coming closer and closer as they're getting more and more comfortable with you.
Yeah.
Look at them. Hello.
Whoa! That scared me. What happened there?
They just got a little bit excited.
Okay. Excited, not scared?
Yeah.
Okay, because I kind of got scared. But that's okay. They kind of seem really gentle. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. There they go again. Look at how wet I'm getting. All right. Let's feed some more. Hello. Look at all these stingrays. Whoa. All right. Bye-bye, stingrays. Ooh, now we're gonna take a camel ride.
Have fun, Blippi.
Thank you. Come on. Look, this is the top of the camel. See the hump? I'm gonna sit on top of it. Whoa! Now I'm on top of a camel. Okay, here we go. Check it out. Whee! Whoa! Hey! Look! I'm on the hump of the camel. Whoa! This is a nice camel. This is a dromedary camel. It's really high up here. Whoa! I'm having so much fun! Whee! Hello! Whoa! Check it out! See the hump of the camel? They store fat in here. And they can actually go about 7 months without eating food. Or 3 to 4 weeks without drinking any water. That's pretty impressive, huh? Whoa! Whee! Whoa! Whoa! It has some pretty long legs, huh? And it has 4 legs. And you and I have 2. Whoa. All right, this is pretty fun. Whoa. That was awesome. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
All right. Okay, let's go see some more animals. Ooh, now we're behind the scenes of the Native Arizona exhibit. Ooh, check it out. Look, some tools. Hey, what does this look like? Kind of looks like a golf club. But actually, see how it has a hook? It's used to handle certain types of reptiles, like a snake. Okay, but I'm not gonna use that because I'm not a trained professional. Ooh, check it out. Wow, some aquariums. The fish are on the other side. We're behind the scenes. Whoa, look at this room. Whoa, this is a box. And this is where a snake lives. Let's read what kind it is. Rattlesnake. Venomous? Oh, okay. I don't think I should handle that one. Because, like I said, I'm not a trained professional. Let's find a snake that I can handle. Whoa, this room's pretty cool. Whoa, there's so many cages right here. Whoa, what are these? These are snake sheds. Wow, every snake sheds its skin every couple months. Look at that. And they're all in one piece. Look, doesn't that look like a snake? Yeah, that's pretty cool, huh? Okay, I'll keep these right here. Okay. Yeah, this one looks like a good snake to handle. I'm handling a snake. Whoa, and look at the color of this snake. It's orange and white and black. Whoa. I used to be afraid of snakes when I was a child, but now I'm not. But some snakes you definitely don't want to hold. So if you ever see a snake in the wild, just to be safe, you probably shouldn't try and hold it like this. Okay, whoa! Look, are you having fun, snake? Whee! Hello! Hey! Whoa, look at it! Whoa! It's so intrigued with the camera. Whoa. Whoa. This is awesome. We're behind the scenes of another reptile area. Whoa, there's so many cool tanks in here with so many unique creatures. Whoa! Hey, whoa, look right here. Oh, hey, there's someone over here. Come here. Whoa, hey, what are you doing?
Just getting ready to check out one of our horned lizards. Did you want to hold him?
Yeah, a horned lizard, that's cool. Okay.
Just like...
Okay, thank you. Whoa, look, this is a horned lizard. Check out its horns. Wow. He's so cute. Whoa, and he's just hanging out. Okay, well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, there you go. That was awesome. Good job. Let's go. Ooh, look, a tall giraffe. Whoa, it's like my height. Hello, hello. Whoa. Oh, a lion. Ooh, an elephant. Whoa, look. This is a gorilla. Hey. And some snakes? Yeah, I gotta hold a snake. Whoa. Isn't that cool? Whoa. Whoa, there's so many cool things in here. Okay, follow me. Ooh, there's even a dinosaur, a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Interesting. Well, hey, that was so much fun learning about animals with you at the zoo. This is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. All right. See you later.
Blippi, so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!